Hey everybody, how y'all doing? My name is Brandon, and I'm just here to talk a little bit about Pop-On Veneers. I love them. They're great. They're fantastic. I ran across an ad on Facebook, and I said, "Well, heck, I'll just give it a try." And so I did, and I'm glad I did because they look so amazing. And this is my smile without them. Okay, and they're easy to pop in. It comes with a whole kit. I got the kit. It comes with the kit. Um, and man, the process is so easy. I was so nervous about the process, but like, what if I do it wrong? Um, but the process was so easy and great. So I'm gonna pop them in, and show you guys how my smile look after. Yeah, and this is my smile after. I'm still kind of new to them, so I'm learning how to talk with them, but they're great. They look fantastic. You know, if you want to rewind this video to see how my smile looked before and after, and they're great. I love them. Thank you. Pop on Veneers is highly recommended, 5 stars.